In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's LED Command Exterior Kit. You will need the following tools. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your product and ensure you have all your parts. Apply the 3M pad to the back of the Bluetooth control hub. Tip: do not mount the control hub until after the product has been wired. Lay out your strips and ensure all the wiring is long enough for your vehicle. Crimp your battery terminals to the Bluetooth hub's positive and negative ends. Based on where you'd like to mount the LED strips, you may need to use an extension kit. With Alpena's Install Kit Easy Link, you have two 12-inch extensions that can allow for longer reach on your wire length. In some cases, you may need multiple kits, so plan ahead. Plan where you'd like to mount the LED strips. Use a mix of soap and hot water to clean the surface area before mounting. For added measure, use rubbing alcohol. Be sure to avoid using acetone cleaning products, as they can damage plastic parts and leave residue. This kit has two 36-inch strips and two 20-inch strips. The 20-inch strips are for the front and the back of the vehicle, while the 36-inch strips are for the sides. When mounting, start with the first 20-inch strip for the front, then move to the side of the vehicle. When the surface is dry from cleaning, peel off the 3M stripping from the first strip. Place the exposed 3M tape onto the surface and press firmly on the strip. Grab the first Easy Link extension to connect to the end of the first strip. Now grab your second strip and place the exposed 3M tape onto the surface and press firmly on the strip. Grab the next Easy Link extension to connect to the end of the second strip. Repeat steps to the last strip. Seal the end of the last strip by adding the Easy Link seal on the end. Note: we recommend allowing the 3M stripping to cure for approximately 24 hours to allow proper adhesion to the surface. Based on where you need to mount your control hub, you may need to extend your wires. If so, you will need 18 to 22 gauge extension wires, two heat shrink wire connectors, and a set of crimpers with wire stripping capabilities. Find your positive and negative ends of the Bluetooth hub's power wires and extension wires. Grab two heat shrink connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the Bluetooth power hub wires. Now crimp to the positive and negative wires of the extension wires. Disconnect the negative terminal or ground connection, followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. From your power cable ends, grab your positive terminal and mount to the battery's positive terminal. Now grab your negative terminal and mount to the ground connection. tighten to secure connection. Tidy up the wiring and ensure it's not close to heat sources or moving engine parts. Use cable ties to contain the wiring if needed and cut the excess cable tie to avoid future injuries. Once connected, you're ready to use the app. If you haven't already, download the Alpena app via App Store for Apple or Google Play for Android. Open the app. Please read the warning acknowledgement and press Agree to move forward. Pick the product you're connecting. Here's the home page. We see that our product has been found. Click Found. When Found changes to Connected, click Connected. Your master button at the top right controls the power. To choose a color, choose any of the preset colors at the top or use the custom color selecting wheel. For brightness, you can control the brightness using the brightness sliding tool. When you've picked a color, click Save, then choose a number. You have up to 6 slots for saving color choices. You can also click Scenes for preset color modes. After choosing your scene, you can adjust the speed of the scene with the sliding tool at the bottom of the page. Go back to the home page. You have the option to rename your products. Click Edit at the top left of the screen. Choose your product and type the desired nickname. Your LED command exterior kit is now connected.